There are a variety of financial AI tools designed to assist individuals and businesses with tasks such as investment management, risk analysis, fraud detection, budgeting, and more. Here's a breakdown of the main categories and examples. Investment management tools. AI-powered platforms help with portfolio optimization, stock analysis, and personalized investment advice. Robo-Advisors. Tools like Betterment, Wealthfront, and Schwab Intelligent Portfolios use AI to manage investments based on user goals and risk tolerance. Stock analysis platforms, Zeroda's Sensible, QuantConnect, and TickerTape offer AI-based analytics for traders. Algo-Trading Platforms, tools like Kahoot, Trade Ideas, and MetaTrader leverage AI for automated trading strategies. Budgeting and personal finance tools. AI tools assist individuals in managing their money and tracking spending patterns. Personal finance apps, Mint, YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget, and Emma offer AI-powered insights into budgeting and spending. Financial health platforms. Tools like Albert and Plum offer personalized savings plans and recommendations. Risk and fraud detection. These tools leverage machine learning to analyze data and detect anomalies. Fraud detection systems, FeedZai, Darktrace, and Fraud.net use AI to detect fraudulent activities in real time. Risk assessment tools. Kensho and IBM OpenPages provide risk analysis and predictive insights for financial decision-making. Credit scoring and loan underwriting. AI systems evaluate creditworthiness beyond traditional metrics. LenddoEFL and Zest AI use machine learning to improve credit scoring accuracy. Platforms like Upstart and Kabbage streamline loan approvals with AI. Financial planning for enterprises. AI tools provide advanced analytics and forecasts for businesses. Anaplan and Adaptive Insights support financial planning and budgeting for organizations. SAP Analytics Cloud combines AI with financial forecasting and predictive analytics. AI simplifies tax preparation and compliance monitoring. TurboTax and QuickBooks use AI to offer personalized tax advice and automate filings. Avalara automates tax compliance for businesses with AI. AI chatbots for customer support. Many financial institutions now employ AI chatbots to enhance customer experiences. Examples: Erica by Bank of America, Eno by Capital One, and chatbots integrated into platforms like PayPal. Predictive analytics and insights. These tools leverage data to forecast trends in financial markets or business finances. Alteryx, DataRobot, and Tableau integrate AI for financial data analysis and visualization. Cryptocurrency and blockchain tools. AI supports crypto trading, risk analysis, and portfolio management. Coinbase Analytics and CryptoHopper provide AI-driven insights for crypto investors. Chainalysis focuses on blockchain data analysis for compliance and fraud detection. In conclusion, we see AI as the future of finance. AI is transforming financial management, making it more efficient, secure, and accessible. Whether it's investments, budgeting, fraud prevention, or compliance, AI is shaping the way we interact with money. Question to the audience: which area of financial AI excites you the most, and why? Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Looking forward to hearing from you.